I was gifted this matcha green tea from UVernal, and this is exceptionally high quality matcha. It has all the certifications I want to see, and you really can use this in any recipe. Put in your smoothies, have it as a tea, add it to your desserts. Really clean all around. It is just 100% matcha powder that has been very well sourced. So let me mix it up for you. I'm going to follow their instructions for tea, which is adding some of this to a cup with some water to stir first and then adding more water. As you can see, fantastic, consistent green matcha. It is a deeper green than I'm used to, which I find fascinating. It must be where they source it. Really nice all around. I added more water and it is very strong. I definitely recommend adding a sweetener to matcha, but I do love it so much, and this is a fantastic product.